Hi guys, Spartan Septics 5 here. Today I'm doing part 2, I guess you'd say, of the Korean Glock mag quality video. I really don't know what I'm going to call the two-part series, oh boy. But anyway, so if you watch the first part, you'll see that I took the magazine and, you know, mildly hit it on the side of the table. You know, to see what happened, see if it would fail. You know, to simulate, you know, being dropped or in an adverse environment or whatever. And the failure that occurred was a mild crack in the plastic lining because the polymer used in these Korean Glock mags is a lot harder than the standard Glock mags, so thus making them more brittle, which is kind of a minus, but what do you expect when you're paying half the price? Anyway, so I'm going to go over the failure point on the Korean Glock magazines. And all the Korean Glock mags I have failed in this way. Whether they've just, you know, I had one fail just sitting in an ammo box, loaded with 33 rounds, just cracked. You're going to see here, here's the floor plate of the one I beat on the table. And as you can see right here, here's a failure. This failure is identical to the other 3 magazines that I had fail. One of which was in storage, and the other 2 were just dropping the mag out of the gun. One loaded, one unloaded. So, my basic thought on these, this is a cheap, crappy, brittle plastic. If you get these magazines, go ahead and replace them with Glock floor plates. Now, as you can see here, this is one I had fail. I just popped the Glock floor plate on it. Here's the one that I just broke. Popped the Glock floor plate on it. Now, I haven't shot this obviously yet. Well, this particular magazine after having it fail. Here it is, sorry, wrong mag. Because I just made the other video like 10 seconds ago. But I will shoot this, see how it does. The rounds seem to load in there perfectly fine. The funny thing was, out of the 33 rounds in the magazine, of course I found 32 and couldn't find the 33rd. I'm sure that's somewhere laying around. Whoops. But anyway, that's my review on the Korean Glock mags. Spartan 75 out.